man them just like the crack top is just an image.
Wesley, no straight man at all, you gonna see a weird.
Anywhere you're going and find right now. Miami right now in a one strip club.
Wesley, a body man alone where them the pussy one.
Jamaican people, bro, just slow.
So you want dressed like Chris Brown. You want Diddy complain and you're a pussy.
I know who slow the people in a poverty.
Wesley, you know sister some baby hair they shorter. So Diddy can heal down your blood clot.
The people have like, their mind our matches box.
Which one I can't them a Jamaican Jaguar or turn up and in a
Anything when they hear people say them follow.
that look good to you.
Never make small-minded people tell no what to do with their life.
You find you're attracted to that. Load the girl them with something, brother.
I know the apple that we got tell us so we no feed.
It tastes really nice and sweet.
Look how you gonna make we get in that trouble.
I'm not gonna know nothing.
Let me see it. I can't eat it. Remember, this man did that one.
I don't want you to eat it, the apple sweet.
I go call God and find out. Because I don't want to eat it or nothing but God.
Oh, you can chat so I'm not gonna know nothing.
It's sweet for real. God, are you that? Adam, Eve.
A boy take for my clocks and me tap him up now. Oh, him little friend them does a body mom so.
How do you ask no go do? Me not tell you no say me no want to eat the apple.
You see, man or the woman who just stop work black magic or the wobe upon me, eh? Watch how one now. Suck passe. Suck on no mama. Move on the blood clot. You just can't stop this.
Good luck, bro. Same to you.
Control, yeah? Control. Hold it, show me. Go suck your mother. Me ready for 1 hour no ramp with me and see me na flush on the face pussy. Bigga go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. Gun them big in your mama. Go suck your mama. Me ready for run down your blood clot and gunshot you in this. And that me I tell you, you pussy. Me ready for yam up your blood clot. Me gun me gun in your face. Go suck.
Excuse me, what's one of the mangoes?
Mangoes?
Yes, what's one of the mangoes?
Oh, $1,000.
Those are for mango?
Oh, they no say a yardy, man.
Thief, man.
Man, tell me a yardy. Anyway, a yardy, man. I will say a mango, man.
Leg off, man. Leg off. Bumbleclaw. Greg. Eh? I'm a jerky you buy weed from. Greg! I'm a jerky you buy weed from.
But I him alone the dog.
Them man they season meat and split them man they season. Greg, watch your robot them. Watch your robot.
Where's the dog?
All a mates, brother. Me no in a fight.
So me and a friend dog.
Warren, all a mates, no man. Here, no man. Just here, no brother. Bumbuckler.
Suck your mother. Me ready for one hour no ramp with me and see me na flush on the face pussy. Big go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. Gun them big in your mama. Go suck your mama. Me ready for run down your blood clot and gunshot you in this. And that me I tell you your pussy. Me ready for yam up your blood clot. Man down and next down behind the Chad.
I'm just coming like ditch so with me there, brother.
Man down behind your bamba clatty. Like a left to put his hand.
I want the hell like a soldier.
Try your final card, Yugi. Cause after that, 3 blue eyes white dragon are gonna mash up your blood clot. It's over. It not done yet, Kaiba. Cause me have this. Exodia, the wicked one. What that? Me have all 5 pieces pon the field. Lord God, it's a really Exodia. Yugi, you're not easy. Now who are gonna get mashed up? Exodia, mash up him blood clot. Whoa!
Listen, I'm pregnant now.
Mary!
Joseph, calm down. Joseph, calm down.
Who breed you?
It's complicated.
Hey, girl, you tell me say you're a virgin.
Yes, because
you
I
tell
am.
me say you're a virgin.
I am a virgin. I am a virgin.
I look at dirty mechanic, me see you flirt with the other day.
What? Joseph, no. Ew.
Who do it, Mary? Who breed you?
I gotta breed me.
God, hey, girl, you want me licking at your... Me look like idiot to you. Me look like idiot to you. You can't manage my penis. Oh, you gonna manage a God penis.
Hello, look at furniture, man. Don't start with me.
Forward, we got a clinic.
Hello, for what?
We're gonna abort that.
We're not aborting Jesus.
What?
Listen, out of my fault, God choose my good up.
I heard you were on the scene of a robbery with a young girl. What take place?
I never up on the scene, I there saw chop your grass, you know. Where you talk about now?
Well, the girl just tell us that you were here and you did not do anything.
About what?
About the robbery. She was shouting, "Oh, Jesus help me, Jesus help me," and you just stand there and watch her get robbed.
No, you know, I name Rasta. And if you ball out Jesus Christ, I look to come and see Jesus Christ, I never see him yet. So I look if Jesus Christ go come help him. Me never know say if he want I help him, couldn't say Rasta. He not say Rasta. He does say Jesus Christ, so me I look for Jesus Christ too. Me wonder if Jesus Christ I take it back for him or whatever, me just look. Because, you know, call my attention to nothing. Because me have a real saying I'm not afraid of people, you know.
Yo, ball a kick. Give me a touch now.
You're not gonna give it back though.
Give me the bomber clot ball. One boxing in your blood clot face, boy, you idiot. Fool. Let's show us something. Ultimo! Watch out.
He passed it in behind them again.
Watch out. Yes, watch
out. Look how much man in midfield. Batty boy. So cool, you know so much man in midfield.